Okay, I'm back at the Murphy home, and they have got plumbing fixtures in, knobs are all in, the mirrors are in, light fixtures, toilets, and we've got the appliances are in now, double oven, cooktop, microwave, and then on the cabinets, the knobs are in, and the handles. We're now in the master, and there's the ceiling fan installed, towel rings, all the fixtures here, and the still backsplash, toilet, lighting fixtures in the closet. The mirror is going to be installed here soon for the bathroom. Tub fixtures, towel bar, and let's go downstairs. And the carpet has been installed. Beautiful carpet all throughout the basement. Flooring, the wet bar with the backsplash. I might have shown all this already. Ceiling fan there. Everything's good to go on the fireplace. And until we get final completion, I think we're pretty much done with this home. The only thing that has to be done is cleaning, and that's it.